Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today we rented a luxurious Airbnb to see if our Loki, our French bulldog, actually likes it. So we invite you to watch this funny video of a French bulldog named Loki together with us.
What is this? What is this? You like it? You like it?
Gosh, I gotta say I adore this weird looking toy. It is so funny looking. Look. Now, if we adore it, well, Loki loves it. What a happy good boy. Frenchie on the attack. What a happy good boy. What a good little boy. Ow.
No.
He gotcha. That's gotta hurt.
It's mine. It's mine.
So this is the life of a French bulldog named Loki. Every single day he wants to play. What a beautiful life. And sometimes I wish I was just a dog. Because you don't have to worry about anything. Is it, Sonia?
Right.
Look. He's commanding, like, who's the boss? Who's the boss? On that toy. Gaining some authority. Some paw authority. Wow, he loves it. He actually loves it. You like this toy, Loki? Loki? You enjoying? You enjoying this toy, Loki? Loki!